talk transition days with kids. This is a process, and the biggest thing I want to remind you is how things look today is probably not how they're gonna look a month from now, 6 months from now, or 2 years from now. The most important aspect to remember about this is the kids are having a lot of really big feelings that they don't even know how to communicate to us. So while sometimes their feelings can be very inconvenient and cause you stress, maybe you have some feelings about it. I know that for me, it's stressful. Like, I caused this situation and now my kids are having feelings about it. It's important to take a deep breath and remember that in that moment, it's not about you, it's about the kid. Oftentimes, kids have a hard time transitioning when they're going from one co-parent's house to another. And I've seen that it's about 24 to 48 hours for the kids to settle back into their new environment. And we just have to remember, it's a whole new world for them. They're coming into a new house, maybe there's different rules, maybe there's different communication styles. It could even be something as simple as they like the pillow better at the other parent's house, and we just don't know that. So understanding, being prepared, and being very emotionally available for your kids during those transition days will help make the process smoother as time goes on, and the kids will adjust a lot better.